Theme 1, Sustainability. From environmental cost to profit driver. Here's something that might surprise you. Sustainability has completely transformed from an extra cost to a major profit driver. The best dairy farms today are making serious money from being environmentally responsible. Let me paint you a picture of what's happening right now. The dairy industry made a massive commitment at COP28, called Pathways to Dairy Net Zero. This is a 30-year pledge to cut greenhouse gas emissions across the entire value chain. We're talking about farmers, processors, retailers, everyone working together. But here's where it gets really interesting. Leading farms aren't just talking about sustainability. They're proving it pays. Take Nestlé's Skimmelkrans farm. They've set a goal to be net zero by 2050, and they're already seeing results. They process up to 500 tons of manure annually for distribution to low fertility areas. Their solar installations generate 285 kilowatts of power. They recycle 14.5 million liters of water every year. And get this, they sequester 6,000 tons of carbon through regenerative soil practices. Their approach to regenerative agriculture is comprehensive. They're restoring soil health through biological pest control and zero tillage practices. This enhances soil health while reducing chemical usage. The results are measurable. Improved soil structure, increased biodiversity, and enhanced carbon sequestration that generates additional revenue. Woodlands Dairy shows how renewable energy creates value. They've been implementing renewable projects since 2012. Their biomass boilers use local sawdust and timber waste, creating jobs in the community. Their water footprint is just 1.25 liters per liter of milk processed, targeting 1.28 liters through their water recovery plant. The Woodlands approach demonstrates multiple benefits. Their second biomass boiler uses local wet sawdust and chipped timber waste, creating local employment opportunities. Their water recovery plant enhances urban and community water supplies in the water-scarce Cougar municipal area. They've implemented ISO 46001 for water efficiency management system adoption. Now let me tell you about some breakthrough technologies. There's a global consortium working on a methane vaccine for cows. They've got $9.4 million in funding. The goal? Reduce methane-producing microbes in cow stomachs. There are also feed additives like Vistapreti that can cut emissions by up to 15% while improving digestion. The methane management revolution represents a significant opportunity. Current research shows that efficiency per unit of milk has improved, with a 10% net reduction per liter from 2005 to 2015. However, total greenhouse gas production has increased due to higher production volumes. The vaccine approach could provide breakthrough results. AI-assisted feed recommendations are contributing to methane reduction through precision nutrition. These systems analyze vast amounts of data to optimize feeding programs that simultaneously maximize production and minimize environmental impact. Here's a fact that showcases the industry's hidden value. The dairy industry diverts about 1/3 of global food waste from landfills. That's 1.3 billion tons annually. They convert it into nutritious meat and milk. This isn't just good for the environment. It's essential for global food security. This resource efficiency demonstrates agriculture's role in converting otherwise unusable resources into human nutrition. The dairy sector showcases circular economy principles and how livestock systems contribute to resource recycling on a massive scale. Water management is becoming a competitive advantage. The best operations target less than 150 liters of water per cow per day in milking centers. They recycle water from plate coolers at a 2-to-1 ratio for parlor deck flushing and other applications. Some farms achieve a 20% reduction in water usage without affecting milk production profitability. Comprehensive farm-level water strategies are emerging as essential. Recommendations include ensuring clean cattle housing and optimizing water trough cleaning protocols. International examples like Rythgill Farm in Australia actively recycle effluent wastewater for irrigation and improve drainage to make waterlogged areas productive. Riparian buffer systems provide multiple benefits including sediment reduction, channel stability, flood protection, temperature control, and wildlife habitats. These systems demonstrate how farms can provide ecosystem services while maintaining productivity. Packaging innovation is creating market differentiation. Woodlands Dairy uses Tetrastello Aseptic, a recyclable paper-based solution with a lower carbon footprint. Friesland Campina targets 100% recyclable packaging by 2025, already using 86% renewable plant-based materials. Sustainable packaging leadership extends beyond individual companies. Lactalis Group and Ineos are producing milk bottles from post-consumer recycled material. Nestlé targets 100% recyclability for local sachets by end of 2024. These initiatives demonstrate industry-wide commitment to circular economy principles. Off-grid energy solutions are gaining traction as farms invest in energy security. Solar energy and battery energy storage systems provide reliable power while mitigating risks associated with traditional energy sources. This represents both a response to load-shedding challenges and a proactive environmental strategy. The economic benefits of renewable energy extend beyond environmental impact. Farms are reducing operational costs while improving reliability and environmental performance. These investments provide long-term energy security and additional revenue opportunities. Soil health and regenerative practices incorporate biological pest control, enhancing natural pest management systems. Zero tillage improves soil structure and reduces erosion. Diverse indigenous plants control alien vegetation while fostering native biodiversity. Carbon sequestration provides measurable improvements in soil carbon content. The IDF and Global Dairy Platform advocate for incorporating nutrition indicators into life cycle assessments. This approach comprehensively evaluates environmental impact while balancing nutritional needs with production sustainability. The science-based approach uses evidence-driven sustainability metrics and reporting. The MPO Nedbank Stewardship Awards recognize good stewardship in dairy farming, with environmental sustainability as one of 5 core